Hello guys, welcome to Praj's Tech Lab. Today I am going to show you how to stop your computer from lagging. Before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Open your PC and press Windows plus R. A small window will open. Now type %temp% and press OK. This will direct you to the temp folder. Now press Ctrl + E and delete all the files. If you come across this error, press the skip button. After deleting all the temp files, your computer should not lag anymore. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know how to scan virus without spending any money, go to this video right here.